Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business plan with LivePlan, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your business plan with LivePlan, start by visiting the LivePlan website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, log in to the LivePlan dashboard. Begin by choosing the option to create a new business plan. Select a template that best fits your business type and goals. Carefully fill in each section of the template with accurate information about your business. Focus on detailing your business model, target audience, and financial projections. As you complete your plan, regularly save your progress to avoid losing any data. Once finished, take advantage of LivePlan's export feature to download your business plan. Choose the preferred format, like PDF or Word, to ensure easy sharing while keeping your information secure. Before sharing your plan with others, consider watermarking the document to indicate its proprietary status. If necessary, include a confidentiality statement at the beginning of the plan to reinforce privacy. Consult with legal professionals to ensure your business plan is fully protected under copyright laws. Consider utilizing LivePlan's features that allow you to set user permissions if sharing with team members. Regularly back up your business plan and any related documents in a secure location. Stay updated on any changes within your business or industry that may require you to revise your plan. Make it a habit to review and adjust your business plan annually for relevance and accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.